Well, as you can see, the snowstorm is over, and this is what we got. Snow, 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 snow. Tons of it, too. Approximately, I'm guessing, 10 inches maybe. Hard to say for sure, especially with all the drifting. Anyways, this is right in front of my door, so you can see how much fun that's been trying to get in and out today. That lovely drift. My poor car is covered, of course. And behind the car, poor Tyler's going to have to shovel this. So as you can see, it's so at least hip high, waist high on me. Probably even close to chest high. Waist high for sure. Some of it's starting to melt a little at least. Not much. But it's drifting so bad it's going to take forever. Ty's not going to enjoy shoveling, that's for sure. Now you can see why I wasn't going anywhere today.